Hey, what's up fam? Welcome back to Travel Assurance NZ, your guide to making that big move to the land of New Zealand. Today the topic I will be talking about is how to migrate to New Zealand with family. Whether it's you, your partner and kids, or even your parents, I'll break it down simply so everyone can follow. I'll cover the best visas to help you migrate with your family, steps to apply, how much it'll cost, and of course, some tips to settle in with your loved ones. If this is sparking some excitement, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch all our New Zealand migration tips. Let's dive into your family's New Zealand adventure. Come on, moving to New Zealand with your family is totally doable, but it takes planning. New Zealand's got a solid economy, safe vibe, and great schools, making it great for raising kids or keeping the family close. But you'll need a visa that lets you live and work long-term, plus options for your partner, kids, or parents to join. The main options are skilled visas, family visas, or investment routes. Here's how to make it happen. Step 1. Pick the right visa for you and your family. To bring your family, you, the main applicant, usually need a visa that leads to residency. Your family can join as dependents or get their own visas. Here are the top options. 1. Skilled Migrant Category, SMC, Resident Visa. Who's the visa for? Skilled workers, 55 years or younger, with a job offer or skills New Zealand needs like nurses, IT pros, or builders. What you get? Permanent residency for you, your partner, and kids under 24, letting you live, work, and study. Rules: score 180 plus points for age, job, qualifications, and experience. Use the points calculator on immigration.gov.nz. You need health and police checks. No English test unless asked, but basic English helps. Family details. Include your partner, married, de facto, or same-sex, and kids under 24. They need health and police checks too. Partners can claim 10, 20 points if they're skilled. Cost: 3,310 to 4,020 New Zealand dollars for the family, plus 530 for the expression of interest, EOI. Processing time: 6 to 12 months after EOI approval. Tip: green list jobs get you 20 extra points and faster processing. 2. Accredited Employer Work Visa, AEWV. Plus family visas. Who's the visa for? Workers with a job offer from an accredited employer. Check immigration.gov.nz. What you get: work visa for you, up to 3 years, with a path to SMC residency later. Your partner can get a partner of a worker work visa, open work rights, and kids under 19 get a dependent child visitor or student visa. Rules: job must pay 29.66 New Zealand dollars an hour, 30 plus hours a week. You need skills or experience, health and police checks. Partners prove a genuine relationship, like joint bills or photos. Kids need school enrollment proof if studying. Cost: 700 to 1,200 New Zealand dollars for AEWV, 700 for partner's visa, 375 per kid's visa. Processing time: 3 to 6 weeks for AEWV, 4 to 8 weeks for family visas. Tip: start with this if you can't get SMC points yet. Hunt for jobs on seek.co.nz. 3. Family category. Partner or dependent child visa. Who's the visa for? If you're already a New Zealand resident or citizen, you can sponsor your partner or kids under 24. What you get: PR for your partner or kids, letting them live, work, or study. Rules: prove a genuine stable relationship, 12 plus months living together for partners, or legal guardianship for kids. You must earn enough, about 56,316 New Zealand dollars a year for one dependent. Health and police checks are also needed. Cost: 2,710 to 3,310 New Zealand dollars per person. Processing time: 9 to 15 months. Tip: submit tons of proof, photos, chats, joint accounts to show your relationship's legit. 4. Parent resident visa. Who's the visa for? To bring your parents if you're a New Zealand resident or citizen living in New Zealand for 3 plus years. What you get: PR for parents, letting them live with you. Rules: you must earn 2x the median wage, about 118,872 New Zealand dollars a year, or have a joint family income of 178,308 New Zealand dollars. Parents need health checks and insurance. This visa has limited spots, about 2,500 a year, so it's a lottery. Cost: 3,310 New Zealand dollars per parent plus 530 for EOI. Processing time: 3 to 5 years due to backlog. Tip: apply early, as spots fill fast. Consider a parent visitor visa as a backup. 5. Investor visa, Investor 2 category. Who's the visa for? Wealthy folks wanting to invest in New Zealand. What you get: PR for you, your partner, and your kids under 24. Rules: Invest 3 million New Zealand dollars in approved assets, like businesses, for 4 years. Be 65 or younger, have 3+ years business experience, and 1 million New Zealand dollars for settling. Health, police, and basic English, IELTS 3.0 needed. Cost, 4,890 New Zealand dollars plus investment. Processing time, 12 to 18 months. Tip, hire a migration lawyer like AtoZ Visas to nail the investment plan. Step 2, find a job if needed. For SMC or AEWV, a job offer is key. Use seek.co.nz, tradeeme.co.nz, or pickens.co.nz for skilled roles like healthcare, IT, or construction. Search visa sponsorship or greenlist jobs for faster visas. Apply to 10 to 15 jobs with a CV. Contact accredited employers, listed on immigration.gov.nz, or agencies like Working in New Zealand. Your partner can work too if they get an open work visa, boosting family income. Step 3. Gather documents for the whole family. You'll need the following for SMC, AEWV, or family visas. For you, 1. Passport, valid 3 months past your stay, for example, December 2026 if applying September 2025. 2. Photo, 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters, JPEG or JPG, taken in last 6 months. 3. Job offer, if needed, showing role, 29.66 New Zealand dollars an hour, 30+ hours. 4. Qualifications, degree certificates, NZQA assessment for non-NZ degrees, 746 New Zealand dollars. 5. Work experience, employer letters, pay slips, 2+ years. 6. Health check, medical certificate and chest x-ray from INZ-approved doctors, 200 to 500 New Zealand dollars. 7. Police certificate from countries you've lived in for 12+ months since age 17, 20 to 50 US dollars. 8. Funds proof, 2,000 New Zealand dollars for return ticket or flight booking. For partner, passport photo, health and police checks, relationship proof, marriage cert, joint bills, photos, 12+ months together. For kids, passports, photos, birth certificates, health checks, if over 17, police checks too. School enrollment proof if studying, check education.gov.nz. For parents, if applying, passports, photos, health checks, insurance proof, your income proof, payslips, tax returns. Save docs as PDFs, photos as JPEG or JPG, under 10 MB using ilovepdf.com. Translate non-English docs with a pro, costing 20 to 40 US dollars. Most visas, SMC AEWV family, are applied for online at immigration.gov.nz. Here's how. Submit an EOI at immigration.gov.nz, Realme account or guest mode. Enter your details, job, qualifications, and family info. Pay 530 New Zealand dollars. If invited, 100+ points, 180+ better. Submit the full application within 4 months. Upload all docs, pay 3,310 to 4,020 New Zealand dollars, and wait 6 to 12 months. Apply for AEWV first, 700 to 1,200 New Zealand dollars, 3 to 6 weeks. Then apply for partner's work visa, 700 New Zealand dollars, and kids visas, 375 each. Uploading relationship kid documents. Takes 4 to 8 weeks. Sponsor your partner kids after getting PR. Submit online with relationship proof. Pay 2,710 to 3,310 New Zealand dollars per person. Wait 9 to 15 months. Submit an EOI, 530 New Zealand dollars. Then full application if invited, 3,310 New Zealand dollars per parent. Takes 3 to 5 years. Pay fees with Visa, MasterCard, or Union Pay. Answer health and character questions honestly. Lying risks rejection. Check immigration online weekly for updates. Upload extra docs, like references as PDFs within 7 to 14 days if asked. Costs. Expect 3,000 to 7,000 New Zealand dollars for visas, health checks, and translations. Flights cost 1,000 to 3,000 New Zealand dollars per person. Rents 400 to 600 New Zealand dollars a week in Auckland. Cheaper in Christchurch, 300 to 450. Budget 150 New Zealand dollars a week for groceries per person. Timeline, SMC takes 6 to 12 months, AEWV 3 to 8 weeks, family visas 9 to 15 months, parent visas 3 to 5 years. Apply 1 to 2 months before your current visa expires to avoid gaps. Tip, save 5,000 to 10,000 New Zealand dollars for settling, housing, school fees, and transport. Skilled jobs pay 50,000 to 100,000 New Zealand dollars a year to cover costs. Step 6. Settle in with your family. Once approved, you'll get e-visas by email. For SMC, it's PR. For AEWV, it's a work visa with family visas. Here's how to settle. 1. Work. Start your job. Apply for an IRD number at ird.gov.nz for taxes. Partners with open work visas can job hunt on seek.co.nz too. Kids. Enroll kids in free public schools, ages 5 to 19. Schools like Auckland Grammar are top-notch. Expect 500 to 1,500 New Zealand dollars a year for uniforms and supplies. 3. Housing. Rent a 2-bedroom in Auckland, 500 to 700 New Zealand dollars a week, or Christchurch, 350 to 500. 4. Healthcare. Residents get free public healthcare, hospitals, GPs, but temp visa holders need insurance, 50 to 100 New Zealand dollars a month per person. 5. Parents. If on visitor visas, they can stay 9 months, apply for PR later if eligible. After 2 years on PR, you can make it permanent. Citizenship takes 5 years. Tips to make it happen: 1. Start job hunting early. Apply to 10 to 15 jobs on seek.co.nz or pickens.co.nz. Target green list roles to gain higher SMC points. 2. Prove relationships. For partners and kids, submit photos, chats, or joint leases to avoid delays. 3. Prep docs. Get police and health checks early. They expire after 12 months. Use ilovepdf.com for clear PDFs. 4. Avoid scams. Verify employers on immigration.gov.nz. Never pay for jobs. 5. Budget smart. Save 10,000 New Zealand dollars for setup. Look for jobs with housing. 6. Use pros. Advisors like Malcolm Pacific, 1,000 to 3,000 New Zealand dollars, can check your application. 7. Plan schools. Research schools on education.gov.nz before arriving to enroll kids. There you have it, guys. That's how you migrate to New Zealand with your family. If this video gave you the information you've been looking for, then you should hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more New Zealand travel tips. Drop a comment. Where's your family moving from? Or what's your dream city in New Zealand? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.